Namaste. I JBN Dr. Y. Chandrakala. Today we are going to discuss on the microbial nutrition. Nutrition is a process of acquiring chemical substance from the environment. The, the absorbed nutrient is used for the energy yielding process such as growth. The chemical energy absolutely needed are the essential nutrient. Macronutrients, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The micronutrient, as we have discussed, the magnesium, nickel, zinc. When we talk about the source of nutrition, the carbons are the main backbone of the living matters. 50% of the microbial dry weight is carbon. Autotrophic device carbon from the carbon dioxide. They derive their nutrition as a source from carbon dioxide. Heterotroph derive carbon from the organic matters. The nitrogen source, 14% of the microbial dry weight when we say it is of nitrogen. Requirement for the protein, DNA synthesis, RNA and the ATP synthesis. So microorganisms derive their nitrogen source from the breaking down of the protein or reuse of the amino acid in the form of ammonia, ammonium ions, nitrate, nitrogen fixer, nitrogen free living bacteria, symbionts from symbiotic activity of the plants, and other elements such as the sulfur, synthesis of the sulfur containing amino acid, phosphorus, synthesis of DNA, RNA or ATPs. Phospholipids in the membrane form, traces elements, mineral needed as a enzyme cofactor, growth factors, organic chemicals that cannot be synthesized by the certain organisms, vitamins, certain amino acids. Okay. When we talk about the nutrition types are phototropic, photoheterotrophic, chemoautotropic or chemoorganoautotropic. Photoautotropic, the source of energy is light, and the carbon source, they take carbon dioxide as a carbon source. Photoheterotrophic, they take light as the energy source and organic matter as a carbon source. Chemoheterotrophic, they take chemical as the energy source and carbon source they take from the carbon dioxide. And chemoorganotrophs, they take energy as a chemical source and carbon source they take from the organic matters. So heterotrophs, mainly when we talk about the heterotrophs, they are chemotrophs and the energy and the carbon source from the organic molecules. The saprophyte derive their nutrition from the dead organic material. They are opportunistic and they feed on the composed host. The parasitic derive their nutrition from the living organism or such as they harm the host cell. How microbes eat? Actually, they absorb nutrient that are dissolved in the system. The molecules needed to be a small amount. The big molecules are degraded by the extracellular enzymes. Diffusion of the water molecules through selective permeability. Water molecules will move from the slide that has the water to move from water molecules will move from side that has more water to the side less water. The movement is from higher concentration to the lower concentration. But the osmotic variation depends on the concentration of the water or the solute on the either side of the membrane. The cell can be subjected to isotonic, hypotonic or hypertonic or osmotic conditions. When we talk about the isotonic, the concentration is equal inside and outside the cell. Hypertonic solution have low concentration, solute concentration. When the cell is placed in this solution, will swell up and burst. When we talk about the hypertonic solution, the cellular water passes out of the cell and the plasmolysis shrink of the cell content inside the plasma membrane. Use in the food preservation. So high concentration of salt and sugar draw the water out of the microbial cells.